Are you happy to see them? Welcome and motivate them through your claps, parents.
दोस्तों, आज कॉलेज का आखिरी दिन है और आने वाली जिंदगी के लिए सभी ने कुछ न कुछ सोच रखा है, लेकिन मैंने अपने लिए कुछ नहीं सोचा है। No really, I mean it। और आज मुझे बार बार एक ही ख्याल आ रहा है।
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा। बैठी हूँ मिलके सब यार अपने, सबके दिलों में अरमाए हैं। बैठे हूँ मिलके सब यार अपने, सबके दिलों में अरमाए हैं। वो जिंदगी में कल क्या बनेगा, हर एक नजर का सपना ये है। कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा, बिजनेस में कोई अपना नाम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा।
Our little Goenkans started their journey of early education with great hope and zest of learning. These little hands were entrusted to the cluster of loving and competent mentors to guide and foster them through the stepping stones of education. At GDGIS, they felt like home. Away from home, they got child-friendly environment and motherly care which they will surely cherish in the days to come. Not only the teachers, but the dedication of the non-teaching staff, the nannies and peons have been vital in the growth of children. room to express their thoughts and display their talents were provided through regular assemblies. Our children exchanged ideas and views about different aspects of their daily lives as well as the world around them in daily assembly. Children shocked off their shyness and fear through multifarious assembly talks and story narration. Importance and regularity of prayers were inculcated in the little minds. A Shlok chanting day was celebrated to instill the roots of our Indian culture. We at GDGIS believe in learning beyond the books. To enhance children's social, intellectual and physical development, the structured indoor and outdoor activities were done which went hand in hand with our academics. Our budding artists felt free to portray their ideas and imagination through the bright, colorful art and craft activities. With this freedom of expression, our students made us proud by winning laurels for the school. They will never forget those fun-filled activities, rhymes, and stories which helped them to remember their letters and words more easily and effectively. It also helped them to build the extensive vocabulary. Fun science experiments like vinegar volcano, balloon rocket, static electricity, boat buoyancy, germination of the seed, and many more were demonstrated. The scientific exploration developed a flair for the subject in the little minds. Academics contribute only to a part of kids' growth. It is physical and cognitive growth that needs to be dealt with, without which all-round development is incomplete. And fitness to a greater extent, lot of sports activities are held in the school like swimming, skating, yoga, aerobics, music, dance, etc., which help them to inculcate qualities like team spirit, improve fitness and respect for fair play under the supervision of efficient instructors. Above all, they bonded with many little minds and became friends for life. Each one made his own childhood story and captured all golden moments which he will commemorate lifelong.
That was great. Wow, Radha will love to see the kids with different learning abilities, along with dancing, coordinating, enjoying themselves. That's all the school about, isn't it?
Yes, apart from that, our little Goenkans have also learned to share, to care, to love, to enjoy with each other. They have explored themselves with fun, having field trips, reading, hands-on activities. Looking at them, I really feel to go back to my childhood days.
किसी की मुस्कुराहट सीखे तो बेउधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द में सीखे तो बेउधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
Keep motivating this young talent with your claps, parents.
माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यारो दिल के हम अमीर हैं। उनके जो प्यार के जेब जिंदगी, जगह बाहर के जेब जिंदगी, तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का। मर के भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी की आंसुओं में मुस्कुराएंगे, कहेगा भूल कर कभी सुधार बार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द दिल से तो बेउधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। Thank you very much.
Wow, this was really mesmerizing. Come on, parents, you have to welcome this young graduate. Dev Chanda.
Just go there, stand first. That's it. Now come here.
Dev Chanda. Dhruv Shah.
Parents, please keep clapping. To motivate the children, please.
First stanza. Okay.
Kavya Gajera.
Go, just stand here. Stand. Yes. Now come here. Come here.
Madhav Jain.
Don't tell them.
Parents, keep clapping. It's such a wow moment.
Neil Master.
One of you can guide them here. Don't go down.
Pavan Gana. Pavan Gana. Raghav Jain. Rudra Siroya. Rumisha. Sana Kothari.
Just stand straight, don't go down. There. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Savia Somani. Shlok Patel. Savia Somani. Shaurya Somani. Shlok Patel.
Parents, please.
Vani Jariwala. These young graduates need a great round of applause, parents. Now we request our Vice Principal Ma'am to please remain on the stage for a group photo.
I request Ms. Kajal Shah.
Smile, children.
I would also request the class teacher of Class 1, Kajal Shah and Rinki Kapoor, to take the charge of the students of KGB who will be now Class 1B.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving the honors to these KG students, B students. I thank our Vice Principal Ma'am.
is a day of smiles and tears. I entered GGIS with a mixed feeling of fear and delight. I remember there are many little faces like me who came with the same feeling. We became friends. We learned our ABCs and 1, 2, 3. We got hands to nurture and cuddle us. Our loving teachers were always there by our side. And see today, we are perfectly grown to take a step further to class 1. We know that the things we have learned here will take us a long way.
Thank you, Bhavya. That was too sweet. I am speechless. I have no words to say for this little young one.
Ensures that no child is left behind in learning academic and life skills. To achieve this goal, we the Goenkans provide a range of activities to meet the verifying interest and needs of students. The summer cool day was held in which they learned how to cope with a hot summer. It was a sweet and juicy morning for the tiny tots of GDGIS as the little ones welcomed the season's first mangoes with sheer delight. Our true pet lovers enjoyed the pet show at school and learned the responsibilities towards being gentle and caring with pets through an innovative puppet show. The Doctor's Day was celebrated with great honor and enthusiasm, along with a medical checkup to ensure that our little Goenkans are fit and fine throughout the year. Healthy living can be delicious. As the saying goes, our little Goenkans celebrated the Fitness Foodie Day to develop awareness about being fit and being healthy. The feeling of patriotism nurtured in childhood goes a long way. Army Day was celebrated to instill the love towards motherland. We give every student a platform to develop their talents, which can turn into enduring hobbies or even professional choices. To give this opportunity, Tell a Tale competition was held for our emerging storytellers. It was indeed a challenging competition for them as they had to compete with other participants. These tiny tots told us lot of fairy tales and Panchtantra stories. In a fast-paced, media-driven world, storytelling can be a nurturing way to remind students that their spoken words are powerful, that listening is important, and that clear communication between people is an art. Trips and excursions are an important tool in teaching. They help to give students a practical feel of all theoretical experiences in a classroom. The GDGIS curriculum requires students to learn through real-world problems and have real-world experiences. To enhance their knowledge of vehicles and the traffic rules, children were taken for the field trip to Traffic Park. The little tiny tots learned the safety rules of Traffic Park. trip to farm provided young children with an interactive learning experience and taught how taking care of animals takes time, dedication and knowledge. To instill the moral value of brotherhood, the tiny tots of the pre-primary wing came dressed in traditional attire to celebrate Raksha Bandhan. The girls tied Rakhi to boys and shared chocolates and sweets. The celebration of Janmashtami brought awareness among the children about traditional customs while enjoying the pranks of Lord Krishna. Tiny Tots captivated the audience with their scintillating performances. Christmas is a time to give and forgive. Celebrated everywhere as a joyous family affair, we too at GDGIS celebrated Christmas as a happy time for our children. Our little children of the preschool presented the skit of birth of Lord Jesus. The dance performances by our tiny tots filled the air with festivities. Santa too made a grand entry in the school auditorium that was packed with the excited little souls. The delight was uncontained, especially as he brought out the gifts. The children came beautifully dressed in party gear for the Christmas party that followed. The pre-primary classrooms too had been decorated with bright and colorful bells, stockings and stars created by the children. Children enjoyed the club car ride with the Santa. We believe in keeping pace with the world. To nurture our Goenkans into global citizens, Halloween Day was celebrated in school with great excitement and enthusiasm. Children were dressed in Halloween attire like goblins, skeletons, witches, etc. They were engaged in a variety of activities related to Halloween images. A vibrant annual day was celebrated in the school campus. From tiny tots to senior sections, students in colorful dresses set the stage on fire. Annual Day is when students showcase their talent with great enthusiasm. Physical education at GDGIS is an integral part of the pre-primary years. In addition to health and fitness, we attach equal importance to develop skills, learn to work in teams, build leadership and personal growth, critical thinking and problem solving. Nothing succeeds like success. The children gave excellent results in almost all events of sports under the supervision of coaches and their teachers. For the excellent results, school awarded these children with certificates. GDGIS is not merely a school that imparts education. Ours is a school that generates the feeling of joy of giving to the underprivileged children. The children were taken for donation drive. The parent workshop at GDGIS was dedicated to support student achievement through workshops for parents. The parents could find out what their child is learning in school and how they can support their children's learning at home through the workshops conducted at school. The night out held at the school campus was an amazing experience. The children stayed overnight at the school. Their stay was packed with a whole lot of entertainment. GDGIS believes in molding the children right from the root level. The journey doesn't end here. It will continue for the years to come.
गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं, गुनगुनाता है गगन, गा रहा है ये सारा आलम।
Zooby-dooby pampara, zooby-dooby parampam, zooby-dooby
Enjoy the song with the claps to motivate these young ones to balance.
Zooby-dooby pampara, zooby-dooby parampam, zooby-dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid
Come on, parents.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे हैं,
दीवानी किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे हैं।
वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 zooby-dooby pampara, zooby-dooby parampam,
Zooby-dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid मन, Zooby-dooby pampara, zooby-dooby parampam, Zooby-dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid मन।
Keep clapping, parents, to motivate the students. They're doing it so well.
Keep clapping.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, नॉन स्टॉप पर आज की पर सेलिब्रेशन तेरे नाम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, नॉन स्टॉप पर आज की पर सेलिब्रेशन तेरे नाम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम। क्या बात है, मेरी जिंदगी मेरे साथ है, ना चैन है
performance by KG Kids A and B section.
Louder clap. Bhavya Junjunwala. Dhairya Jain. Isha Kacharia. Jashvi Mansuria.
Parents, keep clapping.
Jai Padhani. Jill Chauhan. Jian Shah. Ashwi Tulsiyan.
I request Vanessa to be on the stage as we will have a group photo after we complete the rest of the students. Now may I please request our administrator, Mr. Ajay Singh, to please come on the stage for conferring the certificates to rest of the students of AGC.
Krishna Goyal. Mantra Vyas.
Parents, keep
Rana
clapping.
Junjunwala. Rumit Kacharia. Shreya Pansuria. Keep clapping, parents. They need their motivation from your claps. Shreya Pansuria. Suryansh Ketan. Tatva Malviya. Arusha Mirza.
Parents, please keep clapping.
Arav Kansal. All the parents.